Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make it your Chrome faster if this is going to lagging and making slowness and on something else which is just completely just creating a hurdle to use that Chrome. So on that situation, how you can just make it faster. So I have just noted down three steps and three tips. So let me explain one by one. Through you can just make it faster. It will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. So let me do this first one. So just open your Chrome and open Chrome settings, and then here you can just search hardware. After searching hardware, you can see this is the enabled. So just you can stop, continue running background applications in Chrome close. So just make it stop, and also just stop the hardware acceleration. This will ask to relaunch. Just relaunch this. That's it. Now we need to follow the second step, which is clear all history. So let me go to again to Chrome, and here you can just search history. After searching history, you can see clear browsing data. Just click on this, go to advanced, and select all time history. All time history means it will delete the entire history of a Chrome, and you can see just don't click the password, so it will not just erase your all password. Autofill data and site settings, hosted data, clear data. Now my Chrome was first just freshly installed, so this was taken just hardly 1 or 2 seconds, but at your Chrome it will take 1 minute approximately. So let's go to the third step. This is the reset as a default. It means your Chrome will become as a default, and it will reset your all extension and all. Suppose you have just created some wallpaper, or you have just created some VPN settings or something extensions, so that will be lost. So that will be lost because definitely you want to freshly just make it default. So let me just do this. Just again go to settings and search reset. After searching reset, you can see at the last there is a restore setting to their original default. Just click on this and just uncheck and reset settings. That's it. That's it. Your Chrome is being resetted now. Just close and open again. Okay, so I have done all three things to make Chrome faster, and as you can see, if I'm going to open something, it is opening very fastly, and it will be definitely happen with you also. So if you have any query, if you are not able to do any settings or anything else, you can just comment on the video section. So I will definitely help you, and also will provide the good support to you to resolve this kind of issues. And if you find this video a good informative, then kindly subscribe the channel and like the video. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.